Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial, and today's tutorial issues that I hope to resolve if Safari is not responding on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing let's just doing would be just to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and select Force Quit, and then select Safari and then Force Quit. And then I'd suggest restarting Safari, and then hopefully that should resolve the problem on that. If it's just having an issue responding, you may have had too many tabs open, and it could be an issue with a website or extension. So once you have Safari back open, so you can just go ahead and open it back up at this point, and then you want to select the Safari button, and then select Safari extensions. If you have a lot of extensions on here, I recommend either temporarily disabling them or removing them, and then selecting the privacy button and select Manage Website Data, and then select remove all at the bottom, select remove now, and then select done. And I would suggest closing out of here and then relaunching Safari, as well as possibly even restarting your computer again. And then hopefully your issues should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.